want to get like close look at the bug. Like, just show that he's alive. And like, his legs kind of hurt. Okay. Oh God, I'm gonna eat this thing. Have your legs stopped? Okay, his legs are stopped. So I'm gonna proceed. Okay, let me move it down so I can get his head.
Where's your water?
Dude, you're torturing me.
It'll be over soon.
It's getting out!
Oh, get back in there! Get back in there! Alright.
Oh, oh my God.
Oh my God.
We're gonna throw up. Ew. Oh my God. Oh.
Oh my God. Oh man, it's coming.
Oh, I can't swallow this wing!
Oh my God. Ew.
Okay, I got it.
Ew,
The rest of it.
Oh.
What? What is that?
Yeah, I think it's like the butt.
Oh. Oh my God.
You're crazy. I
feel it going down. I should have chewed that up. It's stuck in there. It's done.
Oh my God.
It's done. I ate it all.
Good job.
That's YouTube.
Open your mouth.
Oh.
Juice is on your tongue.
Oh, really? Oh man, I gotta see that video.